The cultural capital of India since the ancient times, Varanasi, the city of light, has always been central to Gangetic civilization and its evolution. Be it liberal arts, science, technology, or architectural prowess, Varanasi has never shied from heralding new trends in the fabric of India's culture. It was with this vision that social reformer and nation builder Bharat Ratna Mahamana Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya established Banaras Hindu University in 1916. He envisioned education as the primary means for heralding a national awakening when it was needed the most. Established as a residential university when all other universities in Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, etc. were affiliating in nature, only conducting examinations and awarding degrees to their college students, Mahamana sought and received early support from Kashi Naresh Prabhu Narayan Singh, Maharaja of Darbhanga Sir Rameshwar Singh Bahadur, and Annie Besant to establish what is now one among the premier residential universities in the world. Organized in 5 institutes and 14 faculties with autonomous administration, budget, and management, Banaras Hindu University found its place on the southern edge of Varanasi near the banks of the river Ganges. The heart of the university, Sayaji Rao Gaikwad Central Library, is the main library on the campus, housing over 1.3 million volumes as of 2011, serving as its lifeline. Counted among one of the finest libraries in the world, this central library's construction was completed in the year 1941, financed by Maharaja Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III of Baroda state. In addition to the central library, there are 3 institute libraries, 8 faculty libraries, and over 25 departmental libraries available to serve the students, faculty members, researchers, and technical staff of the university. In the year 1941, the Department of Library and Information Science, Banaras Hindu University, was formulated to be one among the oldest library and information science departments in India, second only to Madras University's revolutionary step in 1931. Since its conception, the department has contributed significantly to the field of library and information science while being privileged to be guided by prominent scholars of the field like the father of library science in India, Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, Professor P.N. Kola, C.G. Vishwanathan, Professor Y.P. Dubey, Professor S.N. Singh, among others. The department first started functioning in the year 1941 from Banaras Hindu University's Sayaji Rao Gaikwad Central Library. In 1972, the department obtained independent status after moving out of Central Library's umbrella and organizing itself in the university's Faculty of Sanskrit Vidya Dharma Vigyan. Finally, in 1991, the department moved into its current location in a new building besides the Central Library. Since then, the department's course structure has been expanding proficiently in order to scale greater heights in the field. After Madras University, Banaras Hindu University was the first to conceptualize a library and information science department with a diploma in librarianship. Eventually, in 1961, the diploma course evolved with significant changes to a graduation level course structure. Post-graduation degrees in the department started way back in 1965. From 1980 onwards, the department has been offering PhD in library and information science. As of now, the department has granted doctorate degrees to a total of 35 research scholars. Under the National Manuscripts Mission, the entire nation had been alarmed about the recurring theme of manuscript preservation and storage. The year 2010 saw the department initiating a 2-year-long Masters of Arts program in Manuscriptology and Paleography, which successfully continued for 5 years. The Master's program was later shifted to the related department in Faculty of Arts in the year 2015. The department is equipped with a library having almost 5,000 volumes related to various disciplines. The departmental library also has 2 computer terminals for online public access catalog search. The online library materials database allows the users to efficiently search a library catalog to locate the available books and related materials. To equip the students with current trends of information technology and changing dynamics of library science, the department also comprises of a computer lab where the students are trained about the nuances of digital library and related information. The students are also trained to automate different activities related to library, and a senior technical assistant has been recruited for the same purpose. A total of 8 faculty members regulate and manage the departmental proceedings, including 4 professors, 1 associate professor, and 3 assistant professors. A long list of alumni from the department hold prominent positions in various government, private, and independent universities, institutions, colleges, and schools. Each of them have been adding feathers on the department's hat by virtue of their honesty, resilience, dedication, and sheer merit. Some of the alumni even command eminent positions in the libraries of the country's premier technical institutions like IITs, IIMs, among other prestigious engineering colleges. Professor P. N. Kola and Dr. S. R. Ranganathan were instrumental in taking the department's prestige to greater heights by chairing the Curriculum Development Committee in University Grants Commission. They were also awarded with the 4th highest civilian honour Padma Shri by the Government of India for their valuable contributions to library and information science. It is believed that no matter which government or private institutional library one visits, they are bound to come across a student of this department from Banaras Hindu University. By virtue of their judiciousness, commitment, and aptitude, the students have been instrumental in multiplying the department's pride. The Department of Library and Information Science, thriving inside Mahamana's capital of knowledge, is marked by its glorious history. Ever since its conception in 1941 to its transfer in its new infrastructural extension in 1991, the department has witnessed a lot of ups and downs. The department's unstoppable journey continues in its pursuit of serving knowledge while helping in the rise of human civilization with Mahamana's vision. I do not for a royal realm desire, for release or for paradise. To serve those bent with grief I desire, and calm their sorrows and help them rise.